Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase decentralized applications awareness with Ethereum, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of decentralized applications, or dApps. Research the Ethereum blockchain, as it is the most popular platform for building dApps. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as smart contracts and decentralized finance. Identify your target audience for your dApp awareness campaign. Create engaging content that explains the benefits of using dApps over traditional applications. Utilize social media platforms to share informative posts and visuals about your dApp. Join relevant online communities and forums focused on Ethereum and dApps. Participate in discussions to raise awareness and share insights about your project. Consider crafting tutorial videos that demonstrate how to use your dApp effectively. Collaborate with influencers in the crypto and blockchain space for wider reach. Launch a dedicated website or landing page showcasing your dApp's features and benefits. Ensure your website is search engine optimized to attract organic traffic. Offer incentives, such as tokens or rewards, for early adopters to encourage participation. Host webinars or live Q&A sessions to address questions and engage with potential users. Utilize email marketing to keep interested users informed about updates and new features. Create partnerships with other projects in the Ethereum ecosystem for cross-promotion. Leverage content marketing by writing articles or blogs that highlight dApps and their advantages. Share user testimonials and success stories to build credibility and trust. Regularly analyze engagement metrics from your campaigns to adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay updated on trends and developments within the Ethereum community for relevant. Encourage community feedback to improve your dApp and increase user satisfaction. Make sure to follow ethical marketing practices to foster long-term trust with your audience. Continue to innovate and enhance your dApp based on user needs and technological advancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.